Well, another day with some scattered showers out here on the weather deck. It's a little bit damp, got a few puddles, but some areas saw a lot more rain, especially to the south and east. 13 weather ball blinking bright, still a few more hours of those scattered light showers to the south in sight. It's also red, warmer weather ahead for the weekend. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. With the clouds around, only made 69 in Howell, but mid 70s elsewhere, including 74 here in Grand Rapids. Nowhere near our average high of 83, but we forecast 76 today. That's within 3 degrees of our target, and that's 4 days in a row. Look where the heavy rain fell earlier today along and generally south of I-94. Half an inch in Kalamazoo, inch and a quarter in Battle Creek, inch and 3/4 in Ann Arbor, and over 2 inches in Detroit, where they still have flood warnings going on. Here in West Michigan, no measurable rain. There was a trace out at the airport. And for July, we're running a little bit of a deficit for the summer season, though, since June 1. Over 4 inches above average. Still that yearly deficit. And you can see on this chart, this is where we started with precipitation. This is the observed in that light green color. Look at this big jump here in mid to late June. We kind of closed the gap. This is below average, below the average line right in through here. So we made a big jump, getting closer to average, but we're still running that little bit of a deficit here up through the middle part of July. Little low pressure system is coming up from the south. That's why those showers you saw were kind of backing in from the east because of the east-northeast winds. Most of the showers are going to be done here in the next couple of hours. Generally a cloudy sky. This is 11 o'clock. Some of that clearing might actually get down to about Holland to Big Rapids by 2 o'clock in the morning. And if that does happen, there'll be some low clouds and maybe a little bit of ground fog. Saturday morning, we may start out with some partly cloudy skies, but throughout the day, I think we're going to see a good deal of sunshine. You can see that on our European model. Beautiful sunshine, northeast wind, and with that northeast wind, that usually brings down some drier air. So it's going to feel a little bit more comfortable even into Sunday morning. Plenty of sunshine, maybe just a flare up of a fair weather cumulus cloud during the afternoon. All the way around, looking really good. Long range outlook. This is the 2-week outlook starting on week 3, which is the end of the month, July 31st through August 13th. Big bubble of high chances for warm temperatures continuing out west. We're right on the very edge of that. It's just saying that we have an equal chance between the cooler temperatures off to the south and east of us, and we're right in between with higher chances for rain off to our east, higher chances for less rain to our west. West Michigan is just snuck in between. So really, it looks like the first 2 weeks of August are going to be fairly typical for this time of year. Skies will become mostly sunny with the warmest readings here in Muskegon at 84, maybe a little bit cooler down in South Haven, but low 80s elsewhere. Up north around 80, around US 10, 81 Greenville, with 84 here in Fremont with a light northeast breeze after maybe some of that morning fog burns off. Lots of sunshine from Grand Rapids southward. We'll see highs right around 80 to 81. 13 on your side forecast. Humid in the morning on Saturday, not quite so humid Sunday and Monday as dew points drop below 60. We'll be in the mid 80s with lots of sunshine. Few clouds around on Tuesday and especially Wednesday. Still not going to put showers in quite yet for next Wednesday. We're going to wait and see how the model runs take a system coming out of Canada off to our north and east. But nonetheless, average high is 83. We'll be up around that starting Thursday through the following weekend. Our best bet for seeing any widespread or meaningful showers and thunderstorms won't be until the following Saturday night, and then it will get very humid after that as the end of July comes on in with some very summer-like temperatures and humidity.